And in this tutorial I will show you how to make this DIY Hanukkah bark. This is super simple to make a few trays of, break it up into pieces and put them in cute little bags, and you've got some really simple Hanukkah gifts to go. I love how this project turned out because I'm definitely partial to sweets and this is just another fun thing that you can take with you. If you want to see more Hanukkah DIYs like this one, make sure you check out my description below where I will be linking all 8 of the Hanukkah DIYs that I'm doing this year, as well as my previous year's playlist from when I've done this before. If you want to see more DIYs on a regular basis, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos, follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, it really helps my videos get seen. For this project, you'll need a double boiler or a pan with water and a small Pyrex container, an 8x8 Pyrex dish, parchment paper, dark chocolate pieces, white chocolate pieces, a spoon, and whatever toppings you want to add to your bark. Begin by putting your pan on the stove and bringing that water to a boil. Put your parchment in the bottom of your Pyrex dish and empty the dark chocolate pieces into it and the white chocolate pieces into the smaller Pyrex container. Place your Pyrex dish in the boiling water until the chocolate is completely melted, then pop that in the fridge to cool. In the meantime, you can melt your white chocolate, and once the dark chocolate is completely set, add the white chocolate to the top of it and spread it around gently using your spoon or rubber spatula, being careful not to touch the bottom or you'll mix the two chocolates. Then you can add whatever decorations you want to the top. I added some blue gel coloring as well as food glitter and sprinkles, and then I decided to add some marshmallows to half of it and pretzels to the entire thing because my husband doesn't like marshmallows. And that is your finished bark. Allow the chocolate to set for a few hours and then cut it into pieces and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Hanukkah DIYs like this one, make sure you check out my Hanukkah playlist, and if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.